Did you know? A thermal paper machine can produce 20,000 rolls in a single day. This is a real video from our customer's factory in Turkey. No fast forwarding, no effects, every frame runs at real speed. The machine starts up, and the stopwatch begins to tick. In 30 seconds, one full shaft drops neatly into place, producing 24 thermal paper rolls lined up perfectly in order. Each roll has an outer diameter between 35 and 38 millimeters. As precise as if they were cloned. Shaft after shaft, the rhythm stays steady, like a drumbeat. About 48 rolls per minute, and nearly 2,800 rolls per hour. The operators move gently, the machine never stops. After 8 hours, production exceeds 20,000 rolls. If you line them up end to end, they would form a 240-kilometer-long white highway. This is the Jota Machinery JT-SLT-1400C. Speed, stability, and rhythm. Not just words from an ad, but performance in real motion.